Today we're going to make prepper fries. And you might ask, what are prepper fries? They are Spam fries, but we're doing a little bit different. We're making it in our air fryer. And you'll be surprised at how delicious prepper fries really are. Now I'm going to show you how to make this in your air fryer, but I also have an important announcement at the end about a giveaway. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so maybe you can win a great gift. So starting with our Spam, I'm using a hickory smoke one, but you could use whatever flavor Spam you want. And then pull it back. There we go. Now it looks like it's... Here it comes. There we go. Now, we're going to use our handy dandy Spam slicer. So I'm going to put that. Okay. Let's see. No, Xander. Okay, so let's cut it. There we have all of our slices. Let's put them over here. And that's going to make it easier for making our fries. So, let's try to do some at once here. So maybe, we want them thin. We don't want them real thick. Like that. See? That's a good one. That's 2 of them. I think that'll be good. Of course, you can make these as thick as you want. Try one a little thicker here. So I'll try something a little like this too, but I like the real thin ones. I'll be back when I have this all cut up. And of course, Xander is a real prepper cat. He likes his Spam. There you go, baby. Using panko breadcrumbs for this. And I've used my rolling pin to get them just a little bit smaller so they'll stick better to the fries. Now we're going to want to break 1 egg. And isn't that a nice big egg from my chicken? Now we're just going to whip it up a bit. Get it all mixed in well. That looks good. Now we're going to put some of our fries in the egg mixture here. You've got to be gentle because the Spam will fall apart. So let's coat them. Get them all nice and gooey. Okay, turn them off. And of course, this is the longest part of the whole thing. Okay, now, using my other hand, right? I have to always remember, left hand egg, right hand breadcrumbs. Okay, get them all nice and coated. Then we're going to put them back here on our plate. See, almost put in my right hand instead of my left hand. You know, it's hard to remember. Again, be gentle because Spam pieces can break apart easy. Okay, and then that. And I think you get the idea. We're going to do it with our remaining pieces, and then we're going to be ready to air fry. Plates are all filled up with our Spam. I'm just putting a little pepper on top. And as usual, I don't think you have to add any salt because this was not a low sodium variety. Okay, it's now time to put them into our air fryer. So I fit them in my air fryer basket, trying to keep space in between. The object is not to see how many you can get in. You want to leave space in between for the air to flow. So I would say this would probably take, in my air fryer, I'd probably have 3 different basketfuls the way I'm doing it. So the basket's in the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to keep it at 400 degrees and we're going to try it for 6 minutes. Okay, be back when we're going to flip them. Okay, 6 minutes is up. You can see they're starting to get a little brown, so I'm going to flip them. Be right back. They're all flipped, so we're going to put them back in. And maybe for about 4 minutes this time. Almost done. Okay, it's done. Got them nice and brown. Now it's time for our taste test. So here's the finished prepper fries. Don't they look delicious? Well, here they are. Now let's do our taste test. Very nice and crispy. Can you hear the crunch? These are really tasty, although it's probably better to use the low sodium version of Spam because these are very salty. But crisp, different way to use ham. I mean, these are a prepper's fry. Well, stay tuned a minute and I'll tell you about the giveaway while I eat a couple of these. I wanted to tell you about Air Fryer February. Different channels are participating and we're all creating videos, so every Monday through Friday in February there will be a different air fryer video. Let me tell you who's participating. We've got Tulilu Creates, Deep South Homestead, Freedom Homestead, Jenny Gao, Little Village Homestead, Sutton's Days, and me, Prepper Potpourri. So we're all busy making videos right now so you can delight in all these different recipes, be it for main courses, for vegetables, even desserts. But I wanted to do something special for this collaboration. So basically I ripped off Lisa's from Sutton's Days, her Canuary, what she was doing as a giveaway. No, I am not giving away a pressure canner, but I am giving away an air fryer. Thanks to Elechomes, they have agreed to send an air fryer just like mine, and this air fryer is great because it has double fans on the bottom and the top, and there's no need to preheat, and we have been using it probably 3 times a week. We thought that why would we ever use an air fryer, and now we thought, gee, how can we be without an air fryer? But we wanted to share our joy. So what you have to do is watch each video and then comment on each video. And then I'm going to use a randomizer and pick one of those videos and then again run it for a different number and pick one of those comments. And whoever I pick, you win a free air fryer from Elechomes. And if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the air fryer, I have a video on it, so watch here. So if you want to win an air fryer, make sure you watch each video and comment. And I'd like to give a big thank you to Elechomes for donating the giveaway prize for one lucky subscriber. So I look forward to seeing you all in February, and I hope you view all of our air fryer February videos. Thank you.